Hi guys, so if you have a recent models of iPhone and you can't open your camera from the camera button from the lock screen, okay, in my case I can open it, but in your case if you can't open the camera from the camera button from the lock screen, then here is the fix. So what you need to do is to just go to settings, okay, scroll down and find camera option. Okay, here it is. Tap on camera and now tap on camera control, and now make sure it is single click. What happens if double click would be there? You have to press twice to open the camera. Also turn off require screen on and see if it works or not. Now if it still don't work, then here is another fix. Just tap on camera and make sure camera is selected, okay, and not any other options. Also go back to the settings home page. This time tap on accessibility. There must be, yeah, here it is, camera control. Tap on it, and now what you have to do, you have to keep tweaking these settings so that it get adjusted according to your presses. Okay, if you want to just change it to firmer, okay, change it to slow, okay, let it be at default and then check whether it is working. So this is also one of the thing which will try to help you. Now if all these things fail, then what you can do, you can reset all settings. So just go to settings and go to general, transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset and tap on reset all settings, okay, and then try again and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.